Away from Kiambu County, the Law Society of Kenya has continued to condemn the attacks on the judiciary and the performance of its functions. LSK Chair Kilifi branch Conrad Atiang joined in the fray of those cautioning against any form of dialogue between the executive and the judiciary, saying judicial functions cannot be negotiated.
Calls discouraging the three arms of the government initiating dialogue over their mandates and their decision have continued to grow louder by the day.
We want to discourage this form of dialogue that is being called by the Chief Justice and the President of the Republic, and say that as a society we do not appreciate a negotiation of judicial functions.
With legal pundits arguing it negates the doctrine of separation of powers as envisaged in the 2010 Constitution. The Law Society of Kenya Kilifi branch are the latest to weigh in on the matter.
As a society we say that the law exists to administer judicial function, and we encourage both the Chief Justice and the judges that work under the judiciary to follow the law, and when they so do, the Law Society will support them.
The advocates have condemned the recent attacks that have been meted on judges over their previous judgments and the ongoing matters before the courts.
That the conduct and their intention to casually treat court orders the way they do is risking us rendering the Republic into a state of lawlessness and a state of anarchy.
LSK Chair Kilifi branch Conrad Atiang states that court's decision should be challenged appropriately instead of publicly calling out the judiciary, which undermines the judicial system's integrity. Meanwhile, Nyaribari Saba MP Daniel Manduku has voiced his support for the affordable housing project currently spearheaded by the Kenya Kwanza administration. The ODM legislator states that the program is timely and will create employment for the youth and solve the housing crisis in the country.
Nilichaguliwa katika chama cha ODM. Mimi ni kijana ya baba. Lakini William Ruto amekuwa rafiki yangu miaka nyingi sana, hata kushinda hao wote. Tumefanya kazi na yeye, lakini kwa mambo ya housing nimesimama kidete, nimesema ya kwamba housing agenda must be fulfilled come rain, come sunshine. We are in the opposition, yes, but we know that is our government in power. And we support the president and the deputy. Kwa sababu mlitushinda kura, ama namna gani? Si tulihesabu zikakuwa chache kidogo.
Abdiaziz Hashim for Lunchtime News.